We're going to play whole notes for the first three notes of our scale, which are A, B, and C sharp. Take a big breath in and hold an A. Now, take a big breath in and play B. Now, take a big breath in and play C sharp. We're now going to do the same thing using the click track. You're going to play A for 4 beats, take 4 beats rest, play B for 4 beats, take 4 beats rest, and play C sharp for 4 beats. 1, 2, ready, begin. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now rest. 1, 2, 3. Here comes B and B. 2, 3, 4. Now rest. 1, 2. Get ready to play C sharp and C sharp. 2, 3, 4. Let's do the same thing again. 1, 2, ready, play A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now play B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now play C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do the same thing using half notes. So A will get 2 beats, we'll rest for 2 beats. B will get 2 beats, we'll rest for 2 beats. And C sharp will get 2 beats and rest for 2 beats. 1, 2, ready, begin. A, 2, rest, 2. B, 2, rest, 2. C sharp, 2, rest, 2. Let's do the same thing again. 1, 2, ready, begin. A, 2, rest, 2. B, 2, rest, 2. C sharp, 2, rest, 2. Now we're going to do the same thing and take the rests out. So each note will get 2 beats. 1, 2, ready, begin. A, 2, B, 2, C sharp, 2. Let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, begin. A, 2, B, 2, C sharp, 2. Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, ready, begin. A, 2, B, 2, C sharp, 2. Now we're going to play quarter notes. So each note is going to get 1 beat. 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, C sharp. 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 Good. Now we're going to try going up and down. 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, C sharp, B, A. Good. Same thing again. 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, C sharp, B, A. Let's try it one last time. 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, C sharp, B, A.